Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to fry some chicken in the air fryer, and I'm going to make a little bit of Asian inspired chicken, crispy chicken. So I have in my chicken, I've added some Mr. Yoshidas. It's kind of like a sweet teriyaki marinade there. And I also rubbed the chicken down with rice vinegar. And as far as the seasoning goes, I've added a little parsley, paprika, ground ginger and garlic powder, a little bit of ground white pepper, Himalayan salt, and red pepper flakes for just a little bit of kick to go with the sweet. And so, of course, I'm going to put the egg wash in the chicken and mix it all around. Let's go ahead and do that now. And then once I get through mixing it around, I'm going to drop it in this flour mix that I have here. Of course, coat it with olive oil spray and pop it in the air fryer. So it's going to be a little sweet and spicy today. And I'm thinking about putting this over some salad. Maybe cut it up in pieces and put it over salad for a crispy chicken Asian inspired salad. We'll see how that goes. Be right back, guys. Okay guys, I got the chicken all nice and coated. I have to go put my glove on so I can take this out. The air fryer is already preheated, always preheated, 400 degrees. So it's nice and hot already. Got the liner down there. So now let's go ahead and put it in the air fryer. Shake off any excess flour. Alright, so let me finish loading this up. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I was only able to get in 4 pieces. These are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I got in 4 in here, and now I'm going to spray them and pop them in the air fryer and cook them for about 20 minutes, 10 minutes on each side or less, depending on how it goes. Be right back. So while the chicken is still cooking, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the salad together. Just a quick little coleslaw mix. Couple of packs of trail mix, and I'm going to sprinkle it with the seasoned rice vinegar again, and then toss it in a little bit of this Lite Asian Toasted Sesame seed dressing. Okay, let me get this all together. Be right back. Okay, so we're about halfway through. Let's check it. Flipping. It smells so good. All right, it's brown. Let me go ahead and flip these over. It's coming along nicely, guys. Make sure you get your flour spots. And pop it back in. Alright guys, so we have the salad nice and prepared, ready to go. And it's definitely smelling like this chicken is ready. So let's go ahead and pull it out a couple minutes early. And yep, it smells nice and gingery. All right, let's take this out and chop it up, put it on a salad and plate. Be right back. Just want you guys to see how nice and juicy this chicken is. And I'm cutting it up. Very nice. Of course, you can use chicken breast meat for this, but there is a lot of moisture in the thigh meat. All right. Let me go ahead and finish getting this ready for the salad. Okay, y'all. Some of y'all may have guessed I'm not really a salad person. More chicken, less salad. However, this is our final product. Crispy sesame ginger chicken salad. Let me go ahead and taste a little piece of this chicken. Nice and juicy. That chicken is so good. You don't even need the salad. Oh, Lord. Very nice. Nice lunch. Alright, guys. There you have it. Sesame, ginger, crispy chicken salad in the air fryer. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.